Today we're going to learn how to understand what taller, shorter and wider means. Okay, so if we're looking at these two soft toys and I want to know which one is taller, I need to look how high each toy goes. So the giraffe, its top point is here, and the dog's top point is here. So our giraffe is taller from the bottom to the top point of his head than the dog's top point of his head. So the giraffe is taller. And that means that we would use the word shorter for the dog. The giraffe is taller because it has a higher point at the top, and the dog is shorter because it is not as tall as the giraffe. Here we have two more objects. Here's a glue stick, and here's a bottle of PVA glue. We're trying to work out which one is taller. Can you tell? This top point here for the glue stick. Here's the top point of the PVA bottle. There is a big difference between here and here. This bottle here, glue stick, is shorter because it's not as high as the PVA bottle. This one here is taller. T for taller, S for shorter. Now we're going to look at width and whether something is wider than another object. I have two sellotapes here. Here's the first one and here's the second one. When we're trying to measure width, we're looking at how wide something is from the sides of the object. Okay, I'm going to use the bottom marks here. Here's one side of my sellotape and here's one side of my sellotape. The width goes across from side to side. Here's my second sellotape down the bottom here. Here's one side and here's the other side. I'm going to work out which one is wider. Today I can see by using my eyes. I can tell that this sellotape here is wider than this sellotape here because this distance here goes further than this distance here. Sometimes we can use our eyes and tell easily. Other times we're going to have to use some objects to help us measure that and prove that one is wider. I'll talk to you about that in the next flip. Okay, so here are my three objects. I've got hand sanitizer here, I've got sellotape here, and I've got a glue stick here. I'm going to try and work out which one's the tallest one. Remember, the tallest one is the one that has the highest top point. Here's the top point for the glue stick. Here's the top point for the hand sanitizer, and here's the top point for the sellotape. So the top point, the one that is the highest, is this one right here, the glue stick. The glue stick is the tallest. Now we need to work out which one's the shortest. Which one has the lowest point? Which one does not go very high? I think you can probably see with your eyes that that is this sellotape. And that leaves us with one more to work out, the widest. Which one has the biggest point from one side to another? Which one has the biggest bottom part? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. It's this point here. This side to this side is much bigger than the other two, so the widest one, you guessed it, is the hand sanitizer.